Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss three-hinged arches numerical problem. First problem we'll take. The problem statement is a three-hinged parabolic arch shown in figure has a span of 20 meters and a central rise of 5 meters. It carries a concentrated load of 100 kilonewton at a distance of 5 meters from the left support. Determine the maximum bending moment and plot the bending moment diagram. So this is the 3-hinged arch parabolic type. Span is 20 meters, rise is 5 meter, load is of 100 kilonewton at a distance of 5 meters from the left hand support. First of all, let us calculate reactions by taking moment at A, B and C. So while taking moment, that is first of all we can take sum of all the vertical forces is equal to 0, that is the reaction at A and B vertically should be equal to 100 kilonewton downwards. Taking moment about B, we have RA into 20 meters minus 100 into 15 meters is equal to 0. From this we can calculate VA, that is vertical reaction at A, is equal to 75 kilonewton, and similarly taking moment about A, we can find vertical reaction at V, that is 25 kilonewton, and taking moment about C, we can find the horizontal thrust at each support. So taking moment about C, we have HA into 5, that is anti-clockwise, 100 into 5, that is also anti-clockwise, and VA into 10 meters, that is clockwise. So from this we get HA is equal to 50 kilonewton. Then we should calculate now the height of the section D, which is shown here as 3.75. Let us see how we get it as 3.75. So from the parabola equation, y is equal to 4ycx into L minus x divided by L square. Yc is the height of the crown from the supports, x is the distance where you require the height, L is a span, that is 20 meters. So if you calculate y, the equation for y will be equal to x minus 0.05 x square. dy by dx will be 1 minus 0.01 x. So if you want to calculate x at 5 meter, y at 5 meters, so yd will be equal to 3.75 meters, which is shown in the figure here, that is 3.75. This is required for plotting the bending moment diagram further. Then also we can should find tan of theta, that is y is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 0.01 x, that is equal to tan theta. So x equal to 5 meters, so sin theta will be equal to 0.4472 and cos theta will be equal to 0.8944. So applying the sin theta and cos theta, we can calculate the normal thrust and radial shear as follows. Normal thrust is equal to V sin theta plus H cos theta, and radial shear is equal to V cos theta minus H sin theta, where V is the vertical reaction at A and H is the horizontal reaction at A. So from this we can find the normal thrust and the radial shear at the required section. Now we are interested in finding bending moment. So maximum positive bending moment will be equal to 75 into 5 minus 50 into height of the section, that is 3.75. So positive moment will be 187.5 kilonewton meter. Similarly, maximum negative moment will be, we have to calculate the position where the maximum negative moment exists. So we can make use of the equation dmx by dx is equal to 0. So from that x you get 15 meters. So first you have to write the equation for bending moment, assuming that the bending moment is 0 at any section xx, and differentiation of that equation should be equated to 0. You will get x equal to 15 meters. So by substituting the value x equal to 15 meters, we get the bending moment as 62.5 kilonewton meter. So this is the diagram. So you can see here the bending moment is positive 187.5, and here it is 62.5, which is at a distance of 15 meters from left support or 5 meters from the right support. The magnitude of negative bending moment is 62.5. Thank you.